got a new item from Tesla. What is it that they've sent? We'll do a little unboxing here. Piece of cardboard report. Oh, nice little Tesla T. Perhaps I should rotate that around and take this out of the box. It is the Cybertruck Air Compressor Ultra Plus Tire Repair Kit. Now, before I opened the box, there was actually something funny I saw on the bottom of the box. So I'm going to flip it over and show you that. You know, it says Tesla, and it's right here. Household use only. Well, does that mean I can only inflate my tires when I'm at home? What if I'm on the road somewhere? That doesn't seem like household use to me. But anyway, let's open this up and see what we've got inside of here. And sure enough, we have what is likely the compressor unit here. Let's pull this up. It comes out in a separate piece. Got some more padding, and yet more padding, and more pieces. Let's pull all this out and get it unpackaged. All right, so we see the two main items that come out of the box. You see the Cybertruck logo here. This would appear to be, if I shake it, you can hear it. That's the goopy stuff that goes inside of your tire should your tire have a flat and be in need of repair. This, I imagine, if we unzip the case here, is the compressor. Also has a strap. Nice case, kind of a rubbery sort of texture. And we open that, and sure enough, here we have cables, the air hose on this side of the pouch, and our compressor on this side. So let me get this completely unpackaged a second, get these things apart, and then we will take a look at how this actually works with the truck. All right, so let me show you the components here. On this side, this is actually the extension cable, and notice that it has a plug there. That plug is what goes into this side of the compressor here. Then here on the top of the compressor, we actually have a little plastic strip to remove there. And then where's the air hose? The air hose is actually here. Do you see it? It tucks along the side, and then it pulls out along the top rim of the air compressor. So it comes out like this, all the way out. So this is what we would attach to the tire. All right there. And then this is what we would plug in to an outlet. So for example, the outlet in the back of the truck. Why don't we go ahead and do that and plug the compressor in? Okay, so I have the cable plugged into the outlet in the bed. As you can see, there's lots of cord, so I could reach any of the four wheels. And then the display is lit up. So I have a menu, set, presets, start. Suppose if I press start, sure enough, it's trying to pump up to 34 PSI, and it's not measuring any PSI because there's no back pressure. Why? Because we don't have this plugged into anything. So why don't we take this wheel cover off and see what we get? All right, now we actually have this plugged in, and let's try this again. And it's measuring 47.5 PSI, and if my target's 34, there's really nothing to do. Well, wait a minute, it's deflating. Please stop doing that. Let's change my target, shall we? Let's see, menu, how about pressure, manual inflate? Let's take this up. Yeah, I guess I should probably learn how to do the manual here. Measure, manual inflate. Oh, I see. We're going through the menu now. All right, so sealant mode, presets, settings. Oh, there's lots to learn on this thing. Manual inflate, select, measured PSI. Let's see if we can start. Interesting. All right, measured 45.8. Getting closer. Interesting that it measures more when it's on versus off, but I've seen a lot of different pumps do that. Take this up again. And stop. 48.2, 48.1. Let's take this all the way up to 50. All right, let's go back, because what if I want to set a preset? So that's measure, that's manual inflate, manual deflate, sealant mode, and presets. What are my presets? So preset, street 50 PSI, off-road 18.5 PSI. Okay, well, that sounds reasonable. That's what I would want. So street 50 is good, and I'll select that. Let's go back, and let's go back. So now presets. Ah, there we go. That's what I want. I want to set that preset for 50, and then I say start. And here we go. Much better than doing the manual mode. That's interesting. It kind of runs, stops, and it's finished. Stop. All right. Thank you very much. I am to 50 PSI. Well, there we go. Now we see how the Cybertruck pump works. Looks very nice. You can do a lot of presets. You can do, various different things you want to set with it. Manual modes. You can do the, adding in the liquid if you need to do that. I obviously don't. By the way, this simply screws on and off if you were wondering how this connects. So I'll simply unscrew that, and there we go. So this is how you use the Tesla Cybertruck tire pump kit. Thanks for watching. I'm Tesla Ken for the HaloCybertruck.com website. Stay tuned.